Hey everyone, I am Param. I scored 98.4 in boards 2 years ago, and in this video I am going to be telling you how to memorize your answers for boards. Now this is not specifically for boards, but because some people were asking me that please make a video on memorization, I thought why not? I could just make a video, right? So this video is going to be rather short, and this is a part of our series. You have been watching the series, I hope. If you have not, go for the first video, watch the series in 2x, or at least watch the videos necessary for you. And now let's start. So the first trick I'm going to be talking about is active recall. Now some of these things you might have heard before, some of these you might have not. But in case, I'll explain every single thing to you so that you can decide what's the best thing for you. Because a lot of these things work for me as well, even when I'm preparing for something else. Here's a page in front of you that you need to recall, okay? You read it, you try to memorize it, this page is gone. Now you try to recall every single thing that you had in your head, or the things you read, okay? There's a high chance you will not recall everything at the first time, right? So if you recall 60%, 70%, 80%, no problem. Okay, then read the page again, try to memorize again, read again, try to memorize again, and that's the pattern you need to follow. You can also do the same thing if you prefer writing instead of speaking. So read, write whatever you remember, read, write what you remember, read, write what you remember. Second, keep revising this from time to time. So anything you use, you have to still revise it from time to time. Otherwise, if you have not revised something for a long time, you would have to memorize it again, and that causes way more time than revision. I know revision is very annoying, but it does help you retain a lot of stuff if you do it from time to time, that is. Do not revise every single thing like just one day after, but instead create a pattern. 1 day, then 4 days, then 1 week, then 1 month. Third, for the easy topics, you can practice some new questions from question banks. So if your school has provided you a worksheet or a question bank that you have never touched, then or some external question bank that you have never touched, you can attempt this question bank for the first time to revise, because that will make you apply the concepts. Even if you don't remember 100%, you only remember 80%, you will still apply those 80%, and by the time you're applying, you will try to recall the other 20% that you forgot. Okay, now once you have solved the questions, I'm pretty sure your memory will go from 80 to 95 of the topic, and then for the 5% you can just flip through your notes and that's it. Fourth one is my favorite, however it is very time consuming. टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है, लेकिन रिटर्न भी इस पे अच्छा खासा मिलता है, बहुत टाइम तक याद रहता है. That is trying to teach someone this. Not just कि भाई तुम सही में पढ़ा रहे हो किसी को, but just act कर लो. Okay, so it's like a class today we are going to be teaching you Newton's laws of motion or whatever the chapter is. This is this, this is this. Take 10 minutes out and try to explain each and every concept that you remember or every concept that is in the book to someone. Just act it out, and I am sure you will retain most of it while applying it in questions or actually memorizing it. Now see, some of you are trying to remember whole answers. Do not do that. First of all, if you do not understand the meaning of an answer, पहली बात तो उसे understand करो. You need to understand the meaning of an answer first. To go on YouTube, ask your teachers, whatever you want to do, that's fine. When you have actually understood the meaning, you know what the keywords are in this answer. Let's say for suppose non-cooperation movement का answer है. So खिलाफत movement, महात्मा गांधी, चौरी चौरा, these are keywords. Is, are, the filler words. These filler words, you do not need to memorize these. Okay. This is a major mistake that people do. They memorize word for word every single answer. I just find it very inefficient to do that. Instead, once you've understood an answer, you can memorize the keywords, or you know the keywords, right? Chauri Chaura, Mahatma Gandhi. So just memorize these keywords and create a story with these keywords instead of memorizing the whole answer that non-cooperation movement is the result of these events. Just remember the events. You can write the is the cause of this, and you can write these sentences yourself, right? The major thing that you need to remember is the actual keyword. First of all, when you see a question that you need to memorize, filter out the keywords. Once you have the keywords, you can apply these techniques that I told you to memorize them. I know this video is short, and for most people this might not be as helpful, but I just wanted to make a video on this as well in case someone is finding this hard. Thanks for watching.